Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix verified identity on Apple Pay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your settings app and type in wallet and Apple Pay, search it, and then simply tap on that option. Now you're simply gonna go ahead, choose your Apple Pay cash, and simply gonna follow to the verify identity, right? Then you can tap on this continue option in the bottom, and now you will be here in the information providing section where you will have to simply provide where you will have simply provide your first name and last name. So if you have in case of faced the verification problems regarding verifying your identity, that can be that you must have provided some information that is not findable or not correct. So for that, you have to check on your first name and last name again, correctly add them, tap on next. Now in the next step, again recheck your street address, go ahead and enter it accordingly, recheck your zip code. That might be the problem as well, that you must have added the wrong zip code for wrong area. Go ahead, recheck and add it correctly and tap on next again. Now provide the social security number of yours and date of birth. Sometimes most people do mistakes right over here. They forget the number and add the wrong ones. That can cause the problem in the verification. So make sure to provide all of the correct information. Tap on next on top and confirm it, and then you will be able to fix your problem likewise. So this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.